She was set to be the belle of the ball at her gala wedding until the groom jumped ship. And now she's saying nobody puts baby in a corner. She's got a bill for almost $96,000. She is suing the runaway groom for the money spent on a wedding that never got off the ground. Does she have a case? Let's bring in our legal panel. Bob Massi, Mercedes Colwin, both are Fox News legal analysts. Okay, I counted 5 cliche metaphors in that intro. I'm just kind of trying to needle my writers and producers. How
about a huge CAD? Isn't that one that could have been added to that list?
Mercedes, you know, her name is, by the way, Dominique Boutita.
Sure.
That's the jilted bride. And she's no ordinary jilted bride. There's a picture. She's lovely. I don't know what that guy was thinking walking away from this. But she's a lawyer. Is she going to win?
Hell hath no fury like a lawyer scorned. Bravo to her to say, wait, you stuck me with $100,000 of expenses? Hey, everyone, you made a promise to marry me, and I went through the paces. I got the band, I got the dress, I got the hall, I got the priest, I got the church, I got the band. Where are you, dude? Where didn't you walk down the aisle? It's called detrimental reliance. Absolutely. The judge should give the award those damages.
Bob, I want to put up on the screen for our viewers just, you know, some of the costs here because they're a little, you know, head scratching, at least for me. I spent about $50 on flowers. Here we are. $30,000 for the banquet hall, $11,000 in lighting and flowers. Yikes. $10,000 for an orchestra, $7,550 for a photographer, $5,000 for a wedding dress and accessories. I could have done that for about $500. So, Bob, win or lose here?
Well, he married up, didn't he? I mean, come on. No question about that. And the good news for her is it doesn't cost her anything for attorney's fees, so that's a good deal.
There you go.
Oh, look, come on. She's got to get over this. I mean, first of all, is this the guy that, like, was at a bachelor party and something she freaked out about it, or was that another one of these crazy cases, wherever they come up with this? I mean, I understand what Mercedes is saying in this detrimental reliance deal, but you know what? The bottom line is the fact, isn't it always, generally speaking, that the bride and the bride's family will pay for the wedding? And, of course, the guy's family does put in certain things. We usually pay for the booze because that's the fun part of the wedding. So it could be argued in a court of law that she gifted it to him. There was no breach of contract. It's a he said, she said. How much was the ring that he gave her? I mean, what happened with the ring? I mean, maybe the ring's worth as much as she just spent.
You know what? Here's Mercedes.
She needs to get over it.
Mercedes, she apparently is very upset about the fact that he went to a bachelor party a few days before the wedding at the Pink Monkey. Can we put? I think there's do we have a stripper pole? There's the pole. And on their website, by the way, they say they have topless private dancing. And Mercedes, she got all upset because he got a couple of lap dances there. I mean, that's not.
Come on, Mercedes.
Oh, please. Isn't that typical male behavior? I mean, we're talking about a bachelor party. God. Sorry, there's a little testosterone, too much testosterone in this segment. But frankly, when you look at this, it's not, she didn't break up the engagement. Yeah. She certainly was going forward with the wedding. She didn't call the 250 guests before the day of the wedding.
Couldn't she have just had the party?
Because he was pole dancing and he had a couple of lap dances.
You know, Bob, maybe the defense is she could have had the party and she should have been partying that she didn't marry him.
Listen, first of all, Mercedes, come on. You cannot believe because some guy goes, he surely is the first guy that went to bachelor party at some lap dance. Why did she just go grab a couple of Chippendales and do the same thing and enjoy herself? What the hell is wrong with
that? What she should have done is gone down the block in Vegas and gotten married in the Elvis Presley chapel. Well, that's what she should have done and saved all that money.
I'm with you on that one, boy. You know, have Elvis marry you. It only costs about $150.
Exactly.
Hey,
you know, she could have saved $99,000.
But you know what? She's also suing Mercedes for intentional infliction of emotional distress. Can she win that for all the emotional distress she went through?
You know, I wish she could, but unfortunately she can't because she's talking about a breach of promise. It's more of a contractual argument. She's not going to be able to win that part.
Bob, some pain and suffering here, pal.
I think that actually he did her a favor and she's doing him a favor. They don't belong together. There was never a mutuality here from what I could see because she's tweaked about a bachelor party. She needs to grow up. He needs to go get something else. And everybody go home. And depending upon the judges she gets is going to depend if she wins or loses. That's all.
Mercedes Colwin, Bob Massi, an interesting one. We'll let our viewers know how this litigation ends up. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
All right, guys.